Hello, this is Tina Fournier here with Remax Real Estate Edmonton Central Branch. Welcome to this virtual open house tour of 13335 107A Avenue in North Glenora. This two-story home is just under 1,600 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The list of renovations are extensive, bringing the effective age of this home to reflect newer. As you can see, the beautiful curb appeal is tastefully chosen with all new siding, front deck, exterior steel doors front and back, nearly all new windows, new window wells, soffits, fascia, eavestroughs, and shingles for both the house and the brand new garage built in 2019. This home offers a modernized character feel throughout, and it's felt the moment you enter the front door with the beautiful millwork paneling and the light tones of gray that really combine nicely with the natural lighting that shines through the many windows throughout this entire home. The living room has a bright and inviting atmosphere, providing a striking contrast to its hardwood floors, still in excellent condition. A faux fireplace and detailed coved ceilings add nostalgic detail with a mantel for display. The dining room also enjoys natural light through a large picture window while overlooking the front yard, and has an elegant shaded chandelier light fixture as well as 2 entries from the entrance and the kitchen. Open to both the dining room and living rooms, the kitchen creates the perfect workspace and is open to the dining room and main hallway. This kitchen creates the perfect workspace with a window over the sink out to the backyard, tiled backsplash, and granite countertops. There's also plenty of cupboard and storage space. Off the hallway to the main floor bedroom is a full bathroom with double shower and pedestal sink with plenty of storage for linens and toiletries. The main floor bedroom is versatile and naturally bright, with a newly reconstructed addition which can be used either as a bedroom or as an office playroom to help keep the kids distracted while studying or maybe working from home. To the upper level is a carpeted staircase with a cathedral ceiling and lovely alcove for displaying art. The exposed wood beam ceilings are soaring and extend to classify this home as a full 2-story. 2 very spacious bedrooms, each with 2 large windows, are divided by a lovely common area that is currently used as a favorite reading space for the kids. The master bedroom is large and offers a convenient ensuite access to the updated bathroom, where you will see that modernized character reflected with an original clawfoot soaker tub, shaker-style vanity, all encased in subway tiling. Outside of the large sliding window in the master bedroom is a convenient gable, ready to construct a large deck. So much light shines into the second story, but remember again, we have central air conditioning, so the best of both worlds. The second bedroom upstairs is also very spacious and bright with those impressive hardwood exposed beam ceilings, a real modern rustic look and feel. Back downstairs through the kitchen to the lower level is a landing area taking you out to the backyard and garage. The carpeted staircase then takes you down to an inviting and well-sized recreation room. There's also a full bedroom with an adjacent bathroom, in addition to a large storage and mechanical laundry room. This is really the only other carpeted area of the home aside from the master bedroom. You can enjoy additional peace of mind with a new hot water tank, sump pump, updated electrical, and central air conditioning, all of which offer even more value. Outside, the backyard offers many perennials, a mature apple tree, and a fire pit area with a veggie garden at the back. The double-sized garage is brand new with a newly paved double driveway, sidewalks, and sizable concrete patio for all your outdoor furniture. If you want to add a gas heater, you can, as it comes with a roughed-in line. The sewer lines have also been replaced and has undergone recent improvement with newly added soil and sod, gravel, and decorative bark mulch. The fence is also updated, as you can see, framing in the yard nicely with mature trees for additional privacy. Overall, this home offers unbelievable value for anyone that appreciates living in a highly sought-after, walkable community. Great schools and parks are just a block or two away. Also, convenient shopping, public transportation, or travel by car is so efficient to get anywhere in the city and within 1 block access to the River Valley trails. Really an incredible place to enjoy a more quality way of life with a Central West address. Even better, to protect your valued real estate investment. Real estate is considered an essential business, so showings are available with strict protocol in place to protect your health. You can call or text me to discuss this option. Tina Fournier with RE/MAX Real Estate. Thank you for viewing this open house virtual tour with me.